everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to you. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciated, especially amongst small businesses like myself. So I am going to show y'all what I have going on in the way of giveaway time. So I've been meaning to do this actually since like back in December, and things have been going slow or behind, however you want to look at it. But let me show y'all what I've got here for the giveaway. Okay, have that for reference for the bottom of the camera. There we go. All right, so just for y'all to get a nice close up here, back of the camera, there we go. Okay. Yes, y'all, I'm still in my pajamas. It's early in the morning. Okay, so I had no intention of tying this together at all, but it turned out really chunky. Why would I have thought otherwise? So yes, it is tied together with a piece of sari silk and this pretty little dangle that I made. I hate that the camera there. I know it's to save battery, but I can't see things well. There we go. Okay. All right, so again with the front. This is a little ephemera holding pockets, couple of journals thingies, folio journals. Okay, so in here we've got some tickets. And of course, where I get all my ephemera, I will put down in the description. And up here, I've got this glassine bag that I embossed. I love that print. And a pretty little piece of applique from Crafty Me Shop. A little bit of bling there and here with this little snippet. We open it up. Let's go to this side first. I've got some pieces of lace attached here, so and I know that y'all saw that at the beginning, but just wanted to point it out again. Some different types of laces. Okay. So over here in these pockets, tell me truly, when we are far apart, do you keep a place for me in the corner of your heart? I love that little journaling card. I just love it. And these, you will see these throughout. Little, big, and small. So medium, small, big. Yeah, there we go. Vintage. Looks like Polaroid photographs. So sweet. I love those. More tickets. Oh, that does not come out. Okay, it's taken me a while to do this, so I don't remember exactly how I have it done, but these serve as pockets here. And another one of those Polaroids and some sari silk. I do want to point out what I have used to create the pockets and to create this folio. So the folio come from a template from my Porch Prints, and I mostly followed it, but not exactly. So it's a little bit different than the template that you'll find there, but it mostly does follow it. And I just love this paper that I found. And again, I will leave the description. I will leave the link down in the description where I found this lace paper, but I absolutely love it. Okay, and over here, we've got a pocket. And in this pocket, I put a little tiny journal. Isn't that so cute? Some really pretty papers in there. Plenty of places to write. I think there's plenty of places to write all throughout this, but you can use it however you want. You know, use the ephemera to decorate your own journals, cut out the pockets, use them in your own, keep it like it is, keep your ephemera in it, and tons of uses that I can think of. All right, opening it up. Let's go over to this pocket here. And I've got another little journal. In this one, I've created some extra pockets to hold even more ephemera. Some more tickets. And cute little Polaroid. Vintage looking Polaroid. Y'all have to excuse me this morning. I got a little bit choked on some eggs that I accidentally over peppered. The pepper just poured onto the eggs. I love pepper, but it was a bit much. Down here, I've got a little piece of my snippet roll that I just created and a little bit more lace. All right, down here, got a little bit of collaging. Vintage tickets. She's adorable. Journaling cards. And another Polaroid. And again, that paper is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, let's go over here to the middle. And I have made this little swatch with a snippet on top here. But it's a little swatch of just different pretty papers. And here, more pockets with a little bit of collaging here. And I know that y'all can't see it, but there is a little piece of sequin bling right down here at the very bottom of this. So in these pockets, we have a little girl and a kitty cat. And a little sleeping girl. And a Polaroid ballet shoes, Opening up on this page, instead of collaging, I put down a piece of lace to make another pocket. Pockets, 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 and more pockets is what this is. But I think it's also utilitarian, and I think it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. I love these little prints, and that's what I've done here, is I have taken maybe not my favorite prints of all times, though honestly, some of them are. They really are. But I tried to make it look cohesive so that if y'all do decide to make a journal out of it, you can use all of these pieces in the same journal. Of course, you don't have to. But yeah, a lot of these are just my absolute favorites, and I wanted to share them with y'all. All right, over on this page, got some more collaging here with this adorable little girl in vase. She's so cute. And we've got another little Polaroid. I've got a tag with a little swan and a little bit of bling there on this bulb pen, and a library card. Again, just a lot more writing space if that's what you choose to do. One more space to show y'all before I tell y'all about the rules to win this, or to enter rather. Back here, I've got this pretty little pocket, and in here, more fabulous pretties. It's 4 cute little tickets here. She's just adorable. Okay, so what do you have to do to be entered into the drawing for this giveaway that is going to be done on February 14th, Valentine's Day? Because it's, you know, it is a gift of love. I'm doing this showing appreciation for all the people that have already subscribed and who support me and who comment and, you know, stuff like that. I figured it was time to show some love and support. So you have to follow me on YouTube, this channel, and my Instagram. And you can find, if you do not already follow my Instagram account, it's under Sunshine's Original. Again, I will leave the link in the description. So you have to do that. Follow me on YouTube, here, and on Instagram, and you have to share this video, and you have to share my Instagram that will be also announcing the giveaway. You have to share that post to 2 different people and then comment done either on Instagram or here in the comments on YouTube. I hope I've explained that well. Again, I will put the rules down in the description so that you can read it and have it there. But anyway, good luck to you. Thank you for watching. For those that have been support to me, y'all you do not know. You can't, well, you may have done this before yourself, been in this situation, so maybe you do know. But if not, you just do not know how much it means and how much it inspires, and just, it's just wonderful. And I appreciate you all so much. And until next time, see you later.